Hi, Joelle. It was great to speak with you earlier today. I appreciate you giving me the opportunity to shoot this customized video for you. I've done some pretty detailed research on NorthStar, and here is all of the information that I've come up with. So when any of your future customers Google landscape Kirkland, for instance, the first thing that they're going to see in the results is what's called the map pack, and that's here. Now, we certainly want businesses to be in the top 3 spots because that's all that's listed on the immediate results. Now, you guys are on the map pack. Um, I did a little digging. It looks like you're in the 16th spot. And so here is a copy of your Google Map Pack, I apologize, listing. Now, you've got some beautiful pictures, you've got some good reviews, telephone number, all of the information is here, so that's wonderful. So what that's telling me that's missing is citations. What a citation is anytime that your business name, your address, and your telephone number are listed on Google, Google issues its a citation, and that is what helps you get higher and higher on that rank that I was just showing you here. Okay, so with additional citations to your map pack listing, you could definitely climb the ranks there. Now, the second part of what a person sees when they are Googling for a service or product, whatever, what have you, is what's called the organic listings. So that's what's down here. Now, this is crucially important because when searchers are looking for something, they're either going to go with one of the top 3 companies here in the map pack, or they're going to go with somebody on the first page, generally as high to the top as possible in the organic listings. Now, I did search for NorthStar in the organic listings, and I got to about page 4, and I'll be honest with you, I just stopped because the fact of the matter is anyone looking for a product or a service that's Googling for it is not going to go searching that far. They're, like I said, going to pick somebody on the first page, and the higher up the better. So that is the focus, and that is where you want your business to be. What I did was I went ahead and I pulled your top competitor, which is Green Spaces, and I did a comparison so you can see what they're doing and what you're doing, and we can look at this with a little fine-tooth comb here. So to start, here is your website. I love beautiful picture. You've got graphics coming in. You've got some good content. Services is always key to put right at the beginning. I would go a little more in depth about each individual service. That would definitely help. And then, it kind of just goes into a contact section and essentially just a big map, and then just ends out. So the problem here is there's not enough content. Now, what Google does is they crawl the internet every single day, all day long, searching websites, and they're looking for what's called command content. So that's all of your information that you have on your site. So that's every word that you've got going on here. Google wants 1,500 words of command content on the main page of any website to be able to climb the ladder of the rankings, right? Now, I did run the numbers on your site specifically, and it looks like you've got about 312 words. So definitely want to get that command content way higher up in that 1,500 range. Also, what you'll want to do with that command content is organic keywords need to be sprinkled throughout that content. When I say organic keywords, I'm talking about things such as Landscape Kirkland, NorthStar Landscaping Kirkland, Washington. It's going to be the key things that your target audience is entering into Google so that Google can match up those phrases with the content that's on your site to get you ranked higher. All right, so then looking at your competitors, top competitor's website, this is their site. It's very aesthetically pleasing. They've got some moving visuals. They've got some really nice fonts. it's a good looking site. The problem is immediately it does not have enough content. I ran the numbers on their side as well, and they are running at 633 words, so a little more than you guys. But the problem is they're still not half as high as they need to be. What this tells me in a nutshell is that this, which again is your top competitor, they are absolutely beatable with twice as much content, with sprinkled keywords. That's the first step. That could easily rank you higher and challenge the spot that they're currently sitting in. The next thing I did was I went ahead and I pulled both of the sites and I put them on my web crawler tool. This gives us detailed information on both sites and exactly what's happening. Okay, so the first thing I want to show you here, these two are very important. The first thing here is your UR. What your UR is your trust rating. What your DR is your power rating. These two numbers are calculated by the backlink power. Now it looks like you've got 4 backlinks going to your site. And now what a backlink is a shout out from another website. Another website has a link that goes to your site. And what that does is that A, gets you exposure, and then B, gets you credibility. It looks like you have about 7 keywords that are sprinkled into your content. And with everything in mind, what that's doing is that it's bringing you an organic traffic of 10 folks in a month that are clicking on your site, calling you, getting your services, what have you. Okay, now, top competitor, Green Spaces. This is what they've got going on. So they have a trust rating here. They've got a power rating here. Now they've got 472 backlinks going to their site. What this tells me is that's a whole lot of backlinks for not a lot of power and credibility. So what that means is that they're not using powerful backlinks. With backlinks, quality is far more important than quantity. So you want quality backlinks from trusted sites and relevant sites. Okay, so again, with that being said, that is easily beatable for their spot with more powerful backlinks. The next thing is their organic keywords. They've got 552 organic keywords sprinkled throughout their site. And again, this is a beatable number, okay? And so with all of that being said, what they are pulling in is 703 people in a month's time are clicking on their site, retaining their services, contacting them, whatever the case may be. So with all of this together in summary, your Google Map Pack listing again, additional citations would boost you right up that rank, get you sitting in a much higher spot than you guys currently are. Your site, 1,500 words of command content, all of those keywords sprinkled throughout and bolded. And then the backlink situation, a lot more backlinks, but more powerful backlinks. And you guys could definitely have your site sitting in their spot, outranking them, and then take in all of this traffic every month. So I hope this video was informative. I hope that you gained some insight, and I'm grateful that you took the time to watch this. I would certainly welcome some feedback.